In the heart of the Canary Islands, a unique symphony echoes across the rugged terrain. This is Silbo Gomero, the ancient whistling language that defies distance and time. Originating on the island of La Gomera, this remarkable form of communication uses whistled tones to replace spoken words, allowing messages to traverse valleys and mountains effortlessly. As the wind carries the melodic signals, communities remain connected across vast expanses. Silbo Gomero, recognized by UNESCO for its cultural significance, is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptation. In a world of constant change, this whistling language remains a powerful reminder of the enduring connection between people and their environment.